What was I doing?
We're making cookies.
We're making cookies.
Welcome back. We're making some cookies for our homie. Part 2 of his birthday special.
I gotta put a big pot. Oh, don't worry about that. Listen.
Take 2.
He does that
Perfect,
sometimes.
chef.
Take 2.
So we gotta transfer this to a pot.
Oh, chef, be careful, chef. Careful, chef.
I'm trying to. Okay.
Careful,
Chef.
Squidward.
Careful. You're. Oh!
I'm perfectly fine. I'm a totally normal chef. Now we need we need butter. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab butter and then, yank.
Chef, you're gonna need another butter stick. No, don't pick.
Oh, you're right. I definitely need more butter. This is how we do things. Now we need some block cream cheese.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Cheesy.
Delicious, sweet game, please.
Vanilla sugar.
Yeah, now we need some vanilla sugar. And we're gonna... I don't need this anymore. I need... Where is it? Please. Okay.
There it is. The stuff that looks like sand.
I totally... You see, I made a big whoopsie-doopsie. So I gotta put all this in here. Because it's a kneading bowl and this is a pot.
Chef,
You know what?
you know the
That's
water
alright.
phone sound's gonna be playing right now, right?
Why? What the fuck are you talking about a water phone for?
You know what I mean.
No, I don't.
Anyway, chef, what's next?
Oh, in there.
We need vanilla shimmy.
Chef, the butter escaped. You broke the fridge, chef.
You know what? This is not new here with us.
Chef,
You see,
Ratatouille. Oh,
all according to plan.
I'm glad we called the repairman real quick. He
Yeah.
did a fine spiffy job.
I'm glad we called the observation duty crew. They got the anomaly fixed.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're gonna do this. We already have the hook attachment because we're excellent pros. And look at that. We got a
Ball.
big ball of shit. Now, we're gonna do this. We gotta get almond milk.
Almonds?
Yeah, almond milk. Gotta milk the almond.
Logan, do you like almond milk?
Never had it.
Oh, so
I drink cow milk straight from the.
unfortunately we can't go near cows or farms anymore. We're a little band.
What do you do?
Not me specifically,
No, you don't have
but
a-
somebody from the crew took their whole arm and shoved it up the cow's ass.
It
Hey.
wasn't me.
It's unknown at this point, but we're not.
Hey yo!
How? Some sort
Are
of
you a
magician?
I'm just an excellent chef, you see. Now you see we're out of vanilla extract again. Wait, no we're not.
Yeah, you left it on the table.
There we are.
I think you should buy a whole new one.
No, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now you see we gotta use the paddle.
This is why we have 2 blenders.
Yeah.
It's not a blend.
We're so fucking good, dude. This is what an excellent chef does. Mmm.
Ooh, what's in there?
Deliciousness. Now... Oh, fucking Christ.
Sprinkle candies.
Get those sprinkles.
You like a lot of sprinkles on your cookies?
Yeah.
We'll say no more.
Hell yeah.
Mmm. Mmm.
That's not realistic.
Flour mix?
Mix
Flour
using paddle.
mixture.
Is that
Oh!
pot?
Huh?
Yeah. Combine.
Yeah. There we go. And now...
Easy, SpongeBob, easy. Easy. Oh! Nice.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Okay. Yeah, and then we use the paddle again. It's green.
Green?
Green.
Mm.
Oh,
Are you okay, Chef?
yeah, I'm fine. Now we gotta go to cook a pan.
Would you like squares? Hearts?
That's cupcake.
Where the fuck are my... Shit. I guess we gotta order it.
Gotta order cookie pan?
Yeah,
Oh,
'cause
man.
apparently we don't have it here.
We spent all our money on the fucking blenders?
Yeah.
Mixers.
There we go. I just need one. Excellent. So now we do... Wait, where the fuck? Oh, right. It's here. Amazon.
Amazon 1 second delivery.
Where the fuck is my
Not
shit?
sponsored.
There it is. What?
This is how it works in real life. I hope everyone's at home is writing notes down on the Master Chef.
Thanks. Now we do that, and now we gotta bake it for 1:20 at 170. I already forgot what I was supposed to bake it at, so we're gonna eyeball it.
70?
170.
170 for a minute and a half.
Minute and a half.
Ready, set,
Eat.
bake.
I feel like eating pizza.
The
We should
fuck?
make a pizza after this.
Pizza party.
Yeah.
Logan, you love pizza.
Yes.
We should make Logan some homemade pizza too.
Yeah, we
To
will.
go along with his Dick Star cake, his sprinkle cookies,
Ease.
and a pumpkin. Since it's Halloween.
Oh no, but yeah.
It's okay, the game seems to think it's still Halloween. It has a spooky music. God damn it, game. Oh wow, our things are done.
Oh, cookies are done. Oh,
Oh.
I think he needs a few more sprinkles.
Whoa. Oh, there's my... Oh, wait, that's Mooncake Man. Yeah, no, it does need some Sprinkies. Where do I get my sprinkle moon?
The other side of the room.
Oh, you're right.
I guess
You
that's
see,
not
we
how it
don't need
works.
those.
Maybe
We're gonna do
spring
that.
side.
Oh yeah, the sprinkles are inside the cookies.
Oh, wow.
Well, I was also saying, like, in the decoration stuff over on that side, there might be some sprinkies.
Oh, there might. Go over
Big
there.
brain. Oh!
You say 5.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
5 second rule. 5 second. This is a. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Mhm.
You see, they're green for a reason. No one will know. There we go.
Beautiful.
That's ice over there.
Oh yeah. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh right.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I think I do need this though.
Oh my god.
Keep it going.
There we go.
Dump them on the
Why is it liquid?
Or
Don't worry about it. Now here's what we do.
cover it in.
Absolutely, absolutely beautiful, chef. Are you finished with the cookie, sir?
Not yet.
Oh,
Not yet. No, don't worry. I'm not done yet. I just need this to, reduce.
Logan, you know what a mascarpone is?
He's
No.
a type of cheese. He's a very delicious thing.
The more you know.
Actually, ah, there we go. Now that's what I wanted. Now the piece de resistance. Oh, come on. There we go.
Beautiful.
See, it's beautiful.
Scrumptious sprinkle cookies in
I call
custom cheese.
Cumston cheese. There we go.
Beautiful.
I got an
done.
achievement. First things first.